Alright, so ngayon ating isosolve ang problem na ito. So this is 3x to the fourth minus 2x cubed plus 8x squared minus x plus 1 divided by x minus 2. So this time, okay, we will use the synthetic method. Okay, so we will use the synthetic method. So this is a shorthand method of dividing polynomial, okay, by itself. Okay, so let's try it. So we will solve this using synthetic division. Okay, so in solving using synthetic division, it's very important that you are familiar with the arrangement of the exponent from highest to lowest, and of course, this is in pattern or in sequence. So if 4, the next is 3, and 2 and 1, and also the constant term. Then after that one, focus on the numerical coefficients, okay, of every term. So right now, I write the 3, next the negative 2, next the 8, and then next the negative 1, and the positive 1. Okay, so I write this one. Okay, then this divisor, this x minus 2 must be equated to 0 or equal to 0. So x minus 2 is equal to 0. X now is equal to 2. So we will use the 2. Okay, so another horizontal line. Okay, so bring down 3. This is always 3 times 2 is 6. Negative 2 plus 6 is 4. Copy the sign of the larger number. 4 times 2 is 8. And 8 plus 8 is 16. 16 times 2 is 32. Then negative 1 plus 32 is 31. 31 times 2 is 62. Then 1 plus 62 is 63. Alright, so this 63 is your remainder. This is your remainder of the 63. So what will be the quotient? So deduct 1. Okay, deduct 1 to this degree. Okay, so copy the 3. Deduct 1 to that exponent, so it will become 3x cubed. Then the 4 plus 4, okay, x squared. Then the next 16 plus 16, this is 16, okay, plus 16x. So see the pattern, the arrangement of the exponent must be in descending way, 3 to 1. Then plus the constant is 31. So you have the remainder 63, and okay, you have the quotient. Now how we can write that way, or how we can write that, okay, in the final answer. Okay, so you will copy the quotient, 3x cubed plus 4x squared plus 16x plus 31, then plus, okay, the remainder 63 63 all over the divisor x minus 2 x minus 2. So this is x. Alright, so that's it. But here guys, the quotient is this, the remainder is 63, and the sum, the answer using this form. Alright, so quotient followed by, as the numerator, the remainder, the next is the divisor. So guys, thank you, and God bless.